All right, Slot Bandit, the genius, going through his thought process here. Come on, living the Vegas Matt style. His heart is where Ultimate X is. All right. So, do they hold the 3 spades or no? Just the ace, huh?
Some people hold that.
Ace 10?
I'm gonna actually go this route.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
That's something I don't usually do.
I got the nines. There we go.
Nice.
Now I gotta have a big hand here.
Yes.
Okay, so what we do is here just to keep jack.
Yes. Royal. Oh, perfect. That's lovely. That's lovely. This is very stimulating for someone who has very fast thought processes. You know, like that. I can see this. Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Okay, so here we go. That's what I would do.
Okay. Because you can hit a pair at least to get something.
So here, I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
Because I want to hit a full house.
Right. King maybe. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
If you had a pair of aces, you wouldn't, because the aces, 4 of aces, they do.
Oh, okay.
That's where you differentiate.
So if you had ace, 10, you would hold the 2 aces only. Okay. Interesting, very interesting.
Here, some people hold this because that's really tutor royal.
Right.
The I'm not going to do that because the 10s don't pay.
The 10s don't, okay. So I've seen Vegas Matt actually hold like the Jack 10 of clubs and then just randomly bang off the Queen, Ace, and King of clubs like for like 80K or something at Resorts World. So
here's here.
Here's good.
Well,
yeah.
Here, this is that scenario, right?
Right. You're just saying that's crazy.
So I could do that, but I'm not.
Yes. Okay. This just came up, people. Okay.
Because it still pays the same on double.
Okay.
Pay table. Here.
So 2 pair pays the same as.
So yeah, so a jacks are better and 2 pair pays the same.
Oh my gosh, okay.
So unless I'm playing bonus poker,
yeah.
2 pair.
Oh, okay. So the trips with the quads is just worth so much more. Okay. It's worth good gambling for.
I mean, you saw that here.
Yeah.
The 4 aces.
4.
Ace,
Yes.
so it's way more.
Okay.
Screw that up.
Yeah. 3 of a kind is not that important, but yes.
Full house is important. But
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's still just 2 outs, essentially, right? Is it still the same odds as poker because it's 9% pretty much to hit a full house there? Because you can hit a 9 or an ace, or sorry, whatever that was, a queen or an ace.
Yeah, but
it's still 9.
Mostly like to get 2 pair.
Okay.
You're supposed to play for the multiplier, so some people say, hey, some people here, this is kind of, I'll try it one time,
right.
but it's kind of a bad ton of 2 sometimes.
Yes.
This here, I'm just going to go this route.
Okay. That makes sense.
Check. Here,
it's kind of similar.
I'm going to play these 2, which is a little different.
Okay.
Vary it up.
You go for the 9 here or no?
I'm not going to
better.
Yeah, that's better. Okay, here we got 2 8s.
Okay, hold that. Yeah. Okay, bam. Okay.
We need a big multiplier here, so queen.
Kind of a stand out. Okay.
This one here, I might just play this. Try it.
Okay, yeah.
Like I said, I don't play correctly all the time, but
yeah.
Try to play 90% of the time.
Yes, no, it makes sense.
This is 7-6. This is a really bad broker.
Yeah.
So some people play like that.
Yeah.
Well try it. See?
Yeah.
Your hearts would have.
Right.
Okay, so I'm gonna go 4s.
Okay. Just hold the A's, right? Okay.
There we go.
Whoa, random flush. Okay. Okay.
So now he'll play big here.
Yeah.
So we just hold the king.
Hold the king. Okay. All right. Same situation.
Okay, this is where we hold the 2 pair.
Because
we want because first pair of
10s don't pay anything. Yes.
So you need to hold the pairs.
Okay, that makes sense.
Ace king.
Okay. Yeah, these are the scenarios. Hey, for your son. Okay, cool. 4s, right? Okay. Not the Jack 2. Okay, interesting. Right.
That was an ace there.
That would have been absolutely ridiculous.
So you have the kicker.
Yes.
I'm just gonna go these 2. Okay. Go this way. Okay,
this is a great lesson for me, who's like, oh, mother. Interesting. You don't hold the straight flush cards.
There's only 3 of them.
Yeah, there's only 3 of them. Yeah.
He's well affordable flush.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So if that was the whatever, the 8 or the whatever, wouldn't it be the 9 of spades? You would have held all 4 of the straight flush cards, of course. You had a straight or a flush, of course, or a straight flush. Yeah. Okay. That's a good, obviously, gamble.
Okay, this is a straight.
Open ender right here. Bam. Oh my God. Ace again. How?
Just because I'm crazy. No, it's actually supposed to play this out.
Oh, okay, interesting. Full houses and trips, yeah.
There's 2 3s.
Quad somewhere, please. Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go, baby.
4 of kind.
10. 3, 3, 3. Okay.
But it still gives us 4x.
Yes,
so,
yes. Now you're playing for the next hand, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. We need like 3 of kind dealt again.
Yes.
Crap.
Yeah.
So usually that's the whole.
Okay. Okay, what are these ones? Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't give you anything exciting.
Those 2 bare flush cards, you just always hold the king and the jack or whatever it is, like of hearts, right? You don't hold 3 hearts. Okay. Deuce is interesting.
This is where you might get creative.
Okay.
Hoping 4 out of 10, 4.
Yeah.
I don't usually play that way.
Yeah. Over the Hail Marys, I like it.
It's a Hail Mary.
Yeah.
It's hit a few times.
Yes.
I need it. 3s.
Of course. Okay.
We got open-ended.
You hold those, okay.
There we go.
Nice. 2,
Those are
okay.
8Xers. We need
Nice, very good.
Okay, so we need 3s to really come through.
Yeah.
Huge.
Quads. That. Now I see why you do that.
Pretty
Okay.
massive. Yeah, 2s,
Yeah.
3s, aces.
With the
4s.
multiplier on.
Well, they're just bad.
Right. Okay, that makes sense.
So you almost want to get those drawn, but you don't catch anything. You're not getting paid.
Aces and jacks here. That makes sense.
Because they're
Okay.
suited.
Those are the ones I see so frequently. I'm always wondering. Okay, that makes sense. Kind of similar, yeah.
Jack. Have these.
Okay.
This is really rough.
Just the bet. Yeah, that's a tough draw. Okay.
Let's just play crazy.
Yeah, just with a 9. There we go. Somewhere, baby. Okay.
Sometimes you gotta risk it like that.
Yeah. When it's that bad of a draw, I mean, create your own energy there. Yes, king of clubs, right? Yeah, this is interesting. Oh, because you can hit a quad somewhere, right? Yeah. That's worth the risk, I see.
You gotta. It's the correct one.
Yes.
But I don't have more. Let's see.
Yeah. So which one's your favorite version in video poker? Like there's All-Star Poker, there's whatever the other one is. This is the best one? Okay.
Predicting.
What's your favorite game inside of it? Like all of them?
I don't play bonus streak. There's this one too, double super times. You can play a little bit of this. This would be same thing here.
Okay.
And you're playing for this multiplier effect.
Okay.
So.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, so we got aces, but we want this multiplier to show up. Here we go.
Oh, wow, right away.
Okay,
10.
now we need more aces.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Okay,
Come
that's
on.
not bad.
3, nice. That's an amazing first spin.
$30.
$30 for a spin, I like that. Here we go.
Okay, hold that.
You hold those 2, okay.
Okay, show me these here.
Spades.
That's kind of quiet.
The filthy gutter. Let's see how it's gonna happen. Okay. So when does that multiplier come up?
You never know.
Oh,
So
really?
Hopefully, okay, we get more aces.
Yeah. That's very interesting. Okay, I mean.
Hey, wow.
Whoa, that's random. Okay, that was not expected. Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Whoa,
Shit.
come on,
We have
10.
one more ace right here. That could be massive.
Oh,
right here.
ace, come on.
On here.
You can do it. Oh, look, there's a no spotter too. I mean,
Dude, that would have been huge. With 4Xer. We're
yeah.
talking about 4 aces, just
800,
3,200
32.
on quarters. It's amazing.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's huge.
Little minus 5x4. That would be a lot of money.
Crazy. At least these multipliers are coming out often.
Yeah.
So they seem like that. Right?
Yeah.
They could go quiet for a while. Though,
Right.
who knows?
That's crazy. It just comes up randomly like that.
You never know.
Yeah. It's almost like a slot feature. Like you got like a like hats or something and Huff and Puff or something like instead of line hits. All right, what do you do here? Oh, motherfucker. Oh yeah. There we go. At least one. Same thing, right? Oof.
I play it the same way though.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need another jack.
Yeah. Or two random clubs. Oh, it just reveals one, I guess.
Oh, here we go. So this,
Whoa, okay.
So this is now before I do anything,
Oh,
and then it could also
wow.
multiply again. So
Yeah, okay.
right now,
Oh, that was crazy. Okay, I see. That's really
so that's what double
interesting.
super times is. You can multiply first, and then it can multiply again.
Okay. All right. Holy crap! Why Happy and Prosperous just start gonging at us all of a sudden? All right. Hold on.
Let's see.
It's the interesting version of this game.
Here we go.
Come on, 10x.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
that's
5.
okay.
Come
Something
on,
big.
random.
Fine.
Oh,
Let's try.
you
Something
hold 8s, right? Yeah. Okay.
It's something.
Yeah.
Wow,
Wow, back
these
to
are coming
back.
out quick.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Okay. And I need a good hand here. 10s.
10s, right?
Oh my god.
No
Double.
way.
Now I gotta land another 10. Now it's gonna be 15.
Oh my goodness.
8.
Oh,
Okay.
2 pair. That's very good.
What's up, your 3?
Yes, that's really good one right there. Nice. I've never even seen this version right here. This is crazy.
Yeah. I mean, I'm holding my own. So
Yeah.
it's
No, that's crazy.
I don't like playing that
Yeah,
draw.
that's an interesting one.
So we got this here. Good.
Here, let's go.
One other diamond here.
Yes.
So I get a flush opportunity.
Yes. Oh, okay. Come on.
One.
King. Oh, come on.
Oh, here's huge.
This is huge.
Three.
Yes.
We get a multiplier, hopefully.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Huge. There you
That's
go.
what you want.
That's huge right there. Oh my goodness.
That's $100.
Yes.
That's
All 3 of them too. Like that's like that is.
and you give it a full house.
Yeah. Full house. Yeah.
It's all about timing too when you push this button. So
Yes. Absolutely. It's
I'm not
anything
gonna
can
play it so
come.
much down. Oh wow.
Yeah.
It starts off with it.
Yeah. I mean,
If I got a multiplier with that,
that
it
would have
just
been
massive.
huge.
Yeah.
It might have been a hand pay. Hold the queen right. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Placed on a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
These
That's what you
multiples
want,
come
though.
up though.
Yeah, because it's insane. If I got that with an ace,
Oh my goodness! Imagine.
or it's 42 or 4 with the 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
I don't know. Did I get? No, I only got it with the 4.
You got a 4? Yeah.
So, pick one ace. I need 2 more of you.
Come on. Okay.
Sometimes this machine will be.
Stick
Oh, here we go.
around.
3 to the world.
Come on. One time.
Yeah.
All right.
Jacks.
All right.
We got one more spin here.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, that was a good. That Slot Bandit, the genius,
Oh, wow.
doing his thing.
Not much money.
Yeah, but not bad though. I learned a lot, and I'm sure everyone else did.
Strategy.
Yeah, good job. No, that was good.